Hello guys and welcome to Techland. Today I want to quickly show you how to import a config file in SSH custom VPN. Now all you have to do is to go to your app, the SSH custom VPN, and okay, click on these three dots right here at the left top bar of your phone. Click on it and then just click on restore. You have to click on restore to import from your file. Now just click on the file you want to import and just search for it. I'll be clicking on Glow Fast DNS 24 hours. Okay, now as you can see that it's imported. This is it right here. Now all you have to do is to click on connect to connect to the file and wait for it to connect. As you can see, it's connected and it's now browsing. So this is how to quickly and simply import a config file in SSH custom VPN. And if you need the file, you can get it through the link in the description box below. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel and drop a comment, and I will always reply. Thank you.